In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no audio device installed or no audio device found issue on Windows 10 and 11. Here you can see I'm on my Windows 11, and if I hover over the sound icon in the right hand corner, it says no audio device installed. And when I click on it, the volume slider is unusable and everything is muted. I will show you 7 different solutions you can try to resolve this issue. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can help you identify and fix audio problems. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Settings. Go to the System, then Sound, scroll down, and under the Advanced option, you'll see Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems. And to the right, you'll see 2 links. Let's click on Input Devices. Now the troubleshooter will scan for audio problems and suggest any fixes. Follow the prompt to complete the troubleshooting process. For the second solution, we will ensure the Windows audio service is running properly. Let's click on the Windows search box and type Services and press Enter. Scroll down to find Windows Audio and double-click on it. Ensure the startup type is set to automatic and the service status is running. If it's not running or stopped, click on the Start, then Apply, and then OK. Also, look for any services named Realtek Audio. If you find it, double-click on it and make sure it's running as well. In this solution, we'll update Windows system and audio drivers to ensure they are up to date. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Settings. Click on the Windows Update from the left-hand menu, then Advanced Options. Under Advanced Options, click on Optional Updates, then Driver Update. If you find any audio-related updates, select them and click on Download and Install. And also update your entire operating system if necessary and restart your computer. For this solution, we will verify and update the audio devices through the Device Manager. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Double-click on the audio input and output and ensure your speaker or Realtek device is not disabled. If it is, enable it. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Install any available updates. And now let's scroll down to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Double-click on it and ensure the high definition audio service is not disabled. And update the driver if necessary. Now, if for any reason you don't find the audio devices, click on the View from the top menu and select Show Hidden Devices. And click on any adapter, right-click on it, and scan for hardware changes. And now you should be able to see it. Now, if the audio device shows a yellow exclamation mark or is disabled, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. And restart your computer, and Windows should reinstall the device automatically. We will make sure the correct audio device is set as the default and adjust the volume settings. So let's right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Click on System, then Sound. Scroll down and let's click on More Sound Settings. In the Playback section, make sure you have the right audio device selected. Right-click on your device and select Set as Default. Again, let's right-click on it, and this time let's select Properties. Go to the Level tabs and make sure the volume is above 80. Also, click on the Enhancement tab and check if disabling all enhancement resolves the issue. Ensure the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder service is running. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Run. Type services.msc and press Enter. And let's find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder and double-click on it. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and the service is running. If it's not, click on Start then apply, and then OK. Last solution is to power reset your computer to try to resolve the issue. Turn off your computer or shut it down and unplug it from the power source. Remove all external devices such as USB drives, external hard drives, printer, and Ethernet cables. If you have a laptop with a removable battery, remove it. Now press and hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds. This will help clear any remaining power from the system. Once that's done, plug in your computer back into the power source and press the power button to turn it on. Alright, hopefully one of these solutions will fix your issue. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you, and if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.